This is DOOGEE T20, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can bypass parental controls on this device. So as you can see, my parental controls are indeed active, so in order for me to get rid of them without having to grant any parental permission or authorization, you will need to launch Settings, then enter the Google category, onwards tap at the Manage Your Google account. From here, go for Data and Privacy, scroll the page all the way down, and go for the Delete Your Google account option. From here, in order to proceed, we will need to input the child's Google account password. So let me do exactly that off the screen. Then hit the Next button. On the next page that says Delete Your Google account, you will need to check two boxes at the bottom to, acknowledge everything that it needs for you to acknowledge. Then tap at the Delete Account button, which usually is located at the bottom right part of your display. And at this point, if the system has successfully synchronized, it should have already acknowledged the changes and the parental controls were deactivated, but let me check. Yep, as you can see, there is no Google account added or linked. And if I will open up the list of parental controls, there will be none. So the last thing that I need to do is to recover or, restore the Google account that I have just deleted, which I can very simply and fastly, rather quickly do by signing into any Google app. In this case, I'm going to use the Play Store. So type in the email address of the deleted account real quick. Then continue. After that, you should get the following message. So after this message, you gotta input your Google account password. And just proceed with the Google login as you would normally do. And by the fact that we can actually sign into the account, you could have already guessed that it was successfully recovered, restored, and as well as parental controls were deactivated. So we are all done for today. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention and time, and I'll see you at the next one. Bye-bye.